May corruption dito, whether you like it or not.
Do not tell us that we are corrupt.
I'm not saying you are corrupt. What I'm saying here is, meron pong mga tao dyan sa loob ng inyong organization. I'm not saying you are corrupt. I'm saying there are people there that are not doing their job, or maybe they're involved in corruption. Because if they're not involved, common sense lang po ito, Secretary Galvez. 1-point-something billion. You started with 1.9 billion, and now 7 billion. Sa kabila nitong kapalpakan na nangyari.
Sir,
Nabigyan pa kayo ng increase, kumbaga, ang kakapal naman po ng mukha nyo dyan. Sorry ha, ang kakapal ng mukha nyo. Meron na nangyaring anomalya. Para sa akin, this is a big anomaly. May nangyari ng anomalya, may gana pa kayong humingi ng increase. Baka next year, hingi pa kayo, gawin nyo pang 12 billion. Gawin na natin 50 billion. Gusto mo, 100 billion na lang.
Sir, the agreement was made during the time of President Aquino, and we are just implementing the agreement.
Oo nga po, sir. Pero nandun pa sa agreement na kahit na wala kang baril, tumaas ka lang kamay, sabi mo lang MILF ka, bigyan ka 100,000. Nakalagay pa sa agreement na yun, show me.
The agreement says that the 40,000 will be decommissioned. The number of 40,000.
Sir, you're hearing me, but you're not listening to me. Tinutumbok ko po dito yung anomalya. Kasi po, di ba, pag nag-surrender yung isang MILF, na-decommission na siya, o anong patunay na siya ay member ng MILF? Ang isang patunay dyan yung baril para mabigyan siya ng cash assistance na 100,000 pesos. So therefore, pag may pupunta sa inyo dyan, nagsabi MILF, surrendery ako, nasaan yung baril mo? Alam nga ba nang pupunta sila, may dala-dalang batuta lang o may dalang gulok. MLF ako, ito ang armas ko, gulok. Itong 100,000, hindi man siguro ganun po, di ba? Common sense lang po yun. So malaking anomalya. Kaya nga po, kung ako dapat sa sitwasyon mo, may nasibak na, may nakulong na. Totoo yan. Kasi laki anomalya eh. 40,000 versus 4,000. 46,000 versus 132 versus 4,000.
Follow-up question lang in line with the question of Senator Tulfo. Kanino niya ba binibigay 100,000? Sa surrender ba mismo o sa organization?
Combatant, the IDB fully identified and verified the identity. In fact, they can...
Mismo sa
Yes.
surrendery?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi meron mga aligasyon na merong mga hindi umaabot na total na 100,000. May mga cut pa raw.
Sir,
At hindi talaga buo na 100,000 ang tinatanggap ng mga surrenderies.
based on the decommissioning process, most of them will have the biometrics, Your Honor.
Pinapipirma niya ba na
Yes, sir,
nakakatanggap ng 100,000?
They have the biometrics ID. So it is fully identified by the IDB because the IDB is the one commissioned by the both panels.
Yeah.
And it is being given to the individuals, Your Honor.
Kasi nakakatakot niyan. Pagka sa organisasyon yung binigay 100,000 kada surrendery, baka naman lalo silang pinopondohan pa ng gobyerno yung kanilang recruitment plan.
Mr. Chair, okay, pwede magsingit. Ito lang po ang gusto kong mangyari. Gusto ko, kung merong susunod na hearing, yung result ng gagawin yung investigasyon ngayon, sino-sinong involved sa korupsyon. May korupsyon dito, whether you like it or not.
Do not tell us that we are corrupt.
I'm not saying you are corrupt. What I'm saying here is, meron pong mga tao dyan sa loob ng inyong organization. I'm not saying you are corrupt. I'm saying there are people there that are not doing their job, or maybe they're involved in corruption. Because if they're not involved, common sense lang po ito, Secretary Galvez. Pag nagsabi ka ikaw ay combatant, di ba combatant meaning, meron kang baril. So kung meron kang baril, isusurrender mo yung kapalit ng 100,000.
Your Honor, the categories of the firearms is not only individual firearms. We have also cruiser weapons. That cruiser weapons, meron po yung mga 5 o 6 po yung tao na...
Then sana magmamatch pa rin. Isama mo na yung machine gun, isama mo yung cruiser weapon, kung ano pa mga weapon, kasama na dapat din.
But I definitely take offense, Senator, that you are already telling us that there is a corruption. I believe that is not a correct accusation to us.
Well, sir, I'm sorry. I'll stand by what I said. Meron pong corruption dito. Masaktan ka, I don't care. I'm talking on behalf of the taong bayan. Kasi nga, sir, very clear ng discrepancy dahil kung hindi po, kung kung hindi po talaga, kung wala po talagang korupsyon dito, sana nagmamatch tong numbers. Hindi po nagmamatch eh. At saka isa pa, dapat nag-imbestiga na kayo dati pa. Pinaliwanag nyo sa amin yung discrepancy. Ano nangyari? Yun lang po yun eh.
Your Honors,
Kasi we're talking of hundreds of thousands, may mga allegation pa nga, hindi nga natanggap daw yung pera.
Your Honor, we are there. We are validating all the
Then prove to us na walang korupsyon. Then sabihin nyo sa amin bakit ganito kalaking discrepancy. Pag napaliwanag mo ng maayos, then babawiin kung sinabi ko rito.
Your Honor,
Mag-apologize pa ako sa'yo. Pero unless hindi mo ba ipaliwanag, then I'll stand by what I said, may corruption.
Your Honor, the commissioning body is an international body that really facilitated the decommissioning.
International bodies facilitating, pero sino nag-release ng pera? Tayo, Pilipino. DSWD nag-release ng
Yes,
pera.
but,
through,
this-
to the recommendation of the body, kung ano may body yung sinasabi nyo.
Actually, the body will not say that the individual is already validated. Considering that international body is those are experts from
I know, sir, but the only, you're in the military, right? Define combatant. Define combatant.
combatant can be the actual
Yes.
individuals
Yes.
holding the firearms.
Holding firearms. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang firearms.
Yes.
So, your
the-
definition, galing sa'yo, your definition of combatant is someone holding a firearm.
Yes.
So, where is that firearm ng
Sir,
combatant na sumurrender na binigyan 100,000? Dapat magmamatch yan. Galing na mismo sa'yo, combatant is the one holding the firearm.
you have,
Where are the firearms?
sir, ito nga natin sa ano.
Hindi, last na sir, ano? Saka isa pa, sir, hindi ka ba nabulabog dito? 26,000 surrenderies na bigyan ng 100,000, umabot ng 2.6 billion and 4,000 lang firearms. Kasi kung ako, sir, sorry, I'm not saying you're corrupt. Sinabi ko sa loob ng organisasyon. Kung ako, sir, mababahala na ako. Kung ako, talagang hell break loose.
Sir, I have said earlier that the decommissioning of combatants have many process, including the decommissioning plus the SALW and also the DPAGs. DPAGs are the one in charge on those firearms that we considered as loose that had been given to the MILF and the MNLF. Those firearms that are personally owned, it will have a different program. And we believe
So ang sinasabi niyo, sir, okay, nabanggit na kanina personal. So may pupuntang combatant, may baril ako. Hindi ko surrender to kasi personal ko to. Ganun ba yung nangyari? Kaya yun yung difference ng 26,000 to 4,000 lang na baril. Kasi karamihan sa kanila personal, declared as personal firearms. Tulad sinabi kanina ni Ma'am Raisa. Or sympathizers.
yes, Your Honor.
Pumayag kayo ng ganon? Eh di dapat, wag nyo bigyan ng 100,000. Dapat pera kapalit ng baril. So, sorry sir, then sabihin natin walang korupsyon. Okay. Then, katangahan. Again, I'm sorry for the word. Sorry for the word. Kasi, sige, tanggapin ko, yung difference is sa 26,000 sa 4,000 ay sapagkat karamihan doon ay may mga baril pero hindi sinurrender sapagkat personal use nila. O ba't tayo pumayag, sir? Kasi kung ako, sir, hindi ako papayag. Yun lang po. Sir, mag-imbestiga po kayo, sir. I'm not saying again you're corrupt. There is corruption here. Mag-imbestiga po kayo, sir. And dapat, head should roll dito. Meron talagang kalokohan dito. Hindi mo admit yun, sir, pero I'll stand by what I said. Maliban na lang, sir, kung ikaw ay nag-imbestiga at napakita mo sa amin, klarong-klaro na kung bakit ganito ang discrepancy, then babawiin kung sinabi ko. Pero kapag hindi niyo po napakita na ipaliwanag na maayos, I'll stand by what I'm saying here na there is corruption. And sa susunod po na hearing, pababawasan ko po yung budget ninyo. Pataas ng pataas 1.9 billion, naging 7 billion. Heck. Tapos baka next year, magiging 10 billion na. Wag naman po. I don't have anything against you, Secretary Galvez. I don't even know you.